stomachs are still relatively full.
Oh, I heard something.
You know, when she's got cubs, the moment you start viewing her, as long as you stay sensitive, they'll watch the mother, and the mother will then reassure them that, you know, we've never ever been killed by one of these big green machines before. They do make a noise, but, you know, they don't get in our way and they don't kill us. And so typically over time they grow up becoming, you know, relaxed when there are vehicles around. It's
That is hysterical.
Looks like a young female.
Always painted walls, right?
Yeah.
Or painted dogs also?
Painted walls.
Painted wolf. And so when, you know, when their tracks cross the road, if you have a look very carefully, you'll see the claws inside the pad. And so the wild dog, cheetah, and the hyena are the only ones where you'll actually see the claws in the...
Oh, okay, here we go.
Watch now, hopefully it's going to start to try and wake the others up. But look at them, I mean, they're actually just built for endurance. They're so sleek and... It's getting cold in the...
Oh, look at him.
Getting cold in the shade, so it was...